Hello, Namaskar, Birendra Singh. Here is the question of Chapter 1 Electric Charges and Fields. Numerical question. Now I solve this question. Two insulated copper spheres A and B have their center separated by a distance of 50 cm, I suppose equal to D. The charge on spheres A and B is Q equal to 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. The radii of A and B are negligible compared to the distance of separation. Find the force F. The spheres A and B have identical size. This is the first part of the question. The second part is the third sphere C of the same size but uncharged is brought in contact with A, then brought in contact with B, and finally removed from both. What is the new force of repulsion between A and B? Answer is given for first part. Force of repulsion F is equal to 15 millinewton, and new force of repulsion for second part 5.7 millinewton. So I will solve here. Say here sphere A and another sphere is B. A has charge Q and B has charge Q, and separation between A and B is equal to D. D is equal to 50 centimeter. Apply the Coulomb force. F is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. Q1 Q2 by R square. Here R is D, so we put D square. Now we get F is equal to K Q square upon D square. Here K is Coulomb constant, and in SI unit K equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught in free space equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. Q is 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and D is equal to 50 centimeter is equal to 0.5 meter. So after putting the values, we get F is equal to 15 millinewton, 15 millinewton, or 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. For the second part, uncharged sphere C is brought in contact with A. So here is sphere C. A has charge Q and C uncharged 0. So after separation, A will have charge Q by 2 and C will have charge Q by 2. In charging by conduction method, when two spheres are in contact, then after separation, if the size of both is same, charges will be equally distributed, that is Q plus 0 upon 2. So charge at A will be Q by 2 and charge at C will be Q by 2. Okay, now the sphere C is again brought in contact with sphere B. So here C, sphere brought in contact with B. Initially charge at sphere B is Q, and now charge at sphere C is Q by 2. Q by 2. So after separation we will have charge Q plus Q by 2 upon 2 means 3Q by 2 by 2, 3Q upon 4. 3Q upon 4, and C will have charge 3Q upon 4. 3Q upon 4. So charge at A Q upon 2, and charge at B 3Q upon 4, and charge at C 3Q upon 4, and we are to find the new force of repulsion between A and B. Separation will be same. So I show here the arrangement. A, sphere A, another sphere B. Now A has charge Q by 2 and B has charge 3Q upon 4. Separation is D. D is equal to 50 centimeter. So apply the Coulomb force, new force of repulsion F dash is equal to K times here Q1 into Q2. So Q1 is Q by 2, Q2 3Q upon 4, 3Q square upon 8. So we put here 3Q square upon 8 D square. 3Q square upon 8 D square. So it will be F dash equal to K multiply 3Q square upon 8 D square. Earlier we got F is equal to KQ square upon D square. So this will be equal to 3 upon 8 F. 3 upon 8 F. Now the value of F is, we got 15 millinewton. So 3 upon 8 multiply 15 millinewton, and we finally get F dash is equal to 45 upon 8. 8 5 ja 40, 50, 8 6 ja 48, 8 7 ja 40, 8 7 ja 56. So nearly it is 5.6 and unit is millinewton. So new force of repulsion between two spheres A and B will be 5.6 millinewton. Here do not forget to write the unit millinewton. In 1 millinewton 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. Thank you so much.